Hi, I'm CJ with Gilbert Studios, and I want to offer you a free 7-part video series called 5 Keys to Unlock the Profit Hidden in Your Website. Would you like a magic machine that attracts new customers to you? Well, how about if it also sold them on doing business with you? I'm here to teach you that your website is your number one tool to grow and support your business. I believe that a website should enhance each aspect of your business, helping you attract more customers, make more sales, improve your customer service. All of these things add up to help you save time, save money, and ultimately serve your clients better, faster, and easier. You know, it's not your fault. Most business owners know they need a website, but they have no idea what to do with it. I want to show you that your website doesn't just have to be a pretty box that's empty and doesn't really do anything for you, but it's in fact teeming with treasure. There's hidden treasure inside your website. And if you'll spend just a few minutes with me over a few days' time through this 7-part series, we're going to unlock all the profit hidden in your website. Your website is your number one tool, and if you think of it that way, it's going to help you improve each aspect of your business. I want to congratulate you for taking a few minutes to improve your business and improve your life. My business is to serve your business, and you can get all this information and more on my website, mywebsitesafari.com. Sign up for the 5 keys to unlock the profit hidden in your website, and I'll see you there. From Gilbert Studios, this is CJ Gilbert reminding you the internet is a jungle. You don't want to get lost or fall into hidden traps. Hire a well-trained guide to lead you through and get you where you want to go. mywebsitesafari.com.